Okay. Now I'm going to be repeating myself, so bear with me. We are talking about the pentatonic scale in the key of G so that we can learn to improvise over two changes in the song Spooky, an E minor 7 and an A going back and forth, back and forth. So we're going to explore that pentatonic scale in the key of G. And the notes are the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 notes in the scale. In the key of G, that would be G, A, B, D, and E. And as we're learning the scales up and down the fretboard and certainly in the first three frets, we can identify some of those notes. And the one I want to leave you with today is the B and the A and the G and the E, right here in the first three frets. So what am I doing here? Here's our B, and I'm pulling off with my left hand. Do you see that? We're getting some good pull-offs here, pull-off technique here. And I would suggest you just take one of these moves at a time. Don't try to bite off the whole piece of cheese here. Just one little thing at a time. Let's just try that together. Now, I'm going to go to the G note here. We're on the E string. I'm going to do another pull-off. Or you can just pluck it. You can just do that too. You can just pluck. It's 4 notes. Or a pull off. How about just these 2 notes? You can come up with a wonderful solo just using these 4 notes. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to comp for you. Let me get a little setting. Okay, I've got this on a rock beat at 95 beats per minute. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go back and forth on that instrumental, the E minor 7 to the A. I'm comping for you. Experiment with this embellishment we were talking about, just the chord. And then try and experiment with single note improvisation. Just with these 4 notes, the B, the A, the G, and the E. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. One more time. And then let's take it out. If you decide someday to stop this little game that we're playing, I'm gonna tell you all the things my heart's been dying to be saying. Just like a ghost, you've been haunting my dreams. a day or two to get these out to you, because I got a gig this afternoon. But I'll get the email to you no later than tomorrow.
You're
And
still recording.
thank you.
Thank you. Fabulous.